Hey everyone, hello and welcome back to Easy Access Tech. Today we are going to talk about a very powerful video tool called HD Video Converter Pro. This tool is an all-in-one multimedia software, but its main focus is video conversion. That means you can take one video file and change it into another video format very quickly and very easily. But before we start, remember to check the description below this video. I have added the official download link, and if there are any special discount, you will also find in the description. Alright, now let's get started. After you install and open HD Video Converter Pro, you will see the main interface. The first function is converter. This is the most important part of the program. Now you can add your video in two simple ways. You can click the add files, this button, or you can just drag and drop your video file into the program. It supports many video formats like MP4, MKV, AVI, MPG, MOV, and many more. Now after you import your video, the next step is choosing the output format. On the right side, you will see more than 500 output profiles. You can select popular formats, or you can also pick the presets for devices like phones, tablets, TV, and game consoles. Now you can also change the output setting if you want more control. For example, you can change the encoder, resolution, bitrate, or the frame rate. A common choice is MP4 with H.264 video and AAC audio. Now this is the most popular format and it works almost everywhere. Now let's talk about the speed. This software has something that is very powerful, and that called the hardware acceleration. If your computer has a graphics card, then you can get up to 50 times faster conversion speed. When you first open the software, it will check your system and show you what GPU is available. You can also turn on the hardware acceleration at the bottom right corner of the converter window. Now another special feature is called lightning mode. This mode gives you ultra fast and lossless conversion. That means the video quality stays the same and the conversion is very quick. You don't need to set anything manually. If your chosen output format matches the original file encoder, resolution, and frame rate, then a small lightning bolt icon will appear. For example, converting MP4 to MKV is a good way to test the lightning mode. Now before you start the conversion, you can also edit your video. Under each video task, you will see small editing tools. You can trim the video to cut the unwanted parts, and you can also crop to adjust the frame. You can rotate the video, add watermark, or apply some basic effects also. If you add multiple videos, you can use the merge button on the top to join them into just one single file. And if you want to make your video smaller, there is a compression button below that lets you to reduce your file size. Now this is very useful if you want to share videos online or save space. Now there are also options for subtitle and audio track. You can add new subtitle files, remove subtitles, or choose different audio track from your video. When you are ready, just select your output folder and then click on the big run button, and that's it. The software will convert your video using the settings you choose. And if you have hardware acceleration or lightning mode, the process will be very fast. Now if you need to download anything or any video, you can do that by using HD Video Converter. And the second option is that. So simply go to the downloader, this tool, and you can see there is a plus icon. Just click on this, paste the video link, which one you want to download. Let's say you want to download this video, just simply copy the link, then just click on this paste and analyze, or paste it. And from here you can download this video with any resolution you want. And if this video has multi-language, you can select that, and also you can export the subtitle if the video has it. So simply select your resolution and click on this OK. The video will start to download, but I don't want, so just clear this. Now next thing is the recorder, the screen recorder. So sometimes we need to record our screen, and you can do that by using this HD Video Converter. You don't need any other software. Just simply click on this recorder and you can record your entire screen, or if you want, then you can record the specific part of your screen. So basically by using HD Video Converter, you can record your screen, and you can choose the format from here, and you can choose quality, frame rate, and you can also turn on the GPU acceleration for better and smooth recording. And if you need to create any GIF format video or GIF format image by using multiple images, you can do that by using this tool. Not only you can create the images into GIF format, you can also convert a video into a GIF format. So to summarize, HD Video Converter Pro is simple but very powerful. You can import any video. You can choose from over 500 output profiles, and you can use hardware acceleration for super fast speed. So enjoy the lightning mode for lossless conversion, and also do the basic editing like trimming, merging, compressing, and adding subtitles. It really makes your video conversion easy for everyone. And again, you can download HD Video Converter by using the link in the description below, and you can get also the special discount, so just check that out. So thank you so much to watch this video on Easy Access Tech. If this video helped you, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more easy tutorials, and I will see you in the next video.